I'm very appreciate with you because you are watching my video. You already know about me. From this video, I don't have any profit. Yeah, you watching. Just I make those kind of student who want to actually learn Python. Uh, Truly, I can say you can watch my video last of the point what I do. So I don't want to give a description essay because this is a mini project. So let's get started and follow me. Stay with. Keep in mind what I do. I'll open the project. Python 4. Okay. Class triangle def underscore initiate self def self dot d is equal to float d self dot e equal float e self dot f equal float f def area self s equal self dot d plus self dot e plus self dot f. Okay, divided in 2. Return parenthesis s minus self dot d plus s minus e plus self minus f to 0.5 d is equal import and enter the first site e is equal to import enter the second site f is equal to import enter the third site. Yes, def main g is equal to triangle def okay frame area calibres dot format g dot area if underscore name mean what happened? Okay, just rename it, ignore the problem. What happening here? Okay, auto. Okay, run the code. First side value I put 46, 47, 47 and get the area. Yes, it's work. Okay, second 75, 76, 77. Okay, run. Area is 67. Okay, this code is working. Okay, today we finish in here.